In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch network printing between TCP and RPC in Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process. So without further ado, just go ahead to search bar and then type in group policy. So after you type that, just click on open, which is the first option. And then after that, the group policy window will open up for you. Just go ahead and expand it by dragging this right here. And then after you do that, just go ahead, double click on the administrative templates. Then click on printers. After that, just locate RPC connection settings, double click on it. After you double click on it, just click on enabled, as you can see. And here, just make sure it's on RPC over TCP or the other one below it. And click on apply and OK. Next thing, just click on RPC listener settings. Then click on enable and choose RPC over TCP. Click on apply and then click on OK again. So after you do all of this, just restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.